bá wo bàbá Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó ní agbára wọn ní Áfíríkà yìí Ọlọ́run ló fi ṣẹlẹ́rìí kò sólúwa ẹ̀ mi ní tàn yín bàbá olóyè ọ̀gágun Olúṣẹ́gun Òkìkíọlákàn Àrẹ̀mú Ọbásanjọ́ tí a mọ̀ sí ẹbọra Òwu kò sí alágbára wọn ní Áfíríkà lẹ́yìn Mandela mi rò pé nìkankan ó súnmọ́ bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ èmi ó dá mi lójú pé wọ́n sùn àwọn bàbá Professor Banji Akíntóyè ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a kan sára sí wọn níbi tí wọ́n dàgbà dé bí tí wọ́n sì ṣe iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí wọ́n ń ṣe àwọn bàbá Ayọ̀ Adébánjọ àwọn bàbá mi níbi táwa kéré dé táwa kéré mọ́ à ń ṣe awuyewuyewuye ìta lè ṣe ń bẹ̀ mo ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tí wọ́n pọ̀ ní Kútọ́nù kódà mo ti ní ọ́fíìsì ń bẹ̀ rí kó tó di pé apala ẹ̀ mọ́ nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ tiwa àti ti àwọn Faransé nígbà míì kò kì í jọra wọn ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tá a mọ̀ níbẹ̀ à ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ń fún wa ní ìmọ̀ràn wọ́n ń fún wa ní àwọn kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà wọ́n ń dúnkokò mọ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic òótọ́ tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn wọ́n ń dẹ́rù bá wọn pé tẹ́ bá dán wò ẹ̀ dán tán àwọn ará bí náà dẹ̀ rí ẹ mọ̀ pé bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan ló jẹ́ pé Nàìjíríà bí làwọn náà ti ń kó bí akọ́kọ́ jáde ni àbí láti gbà wọlé gbogbo okòwò ilẹ̀ Benin Republic ó dá mi lójú pé bíi 80-90% orí Nàìjíríà ló wà ìdí nìyẹn tí wọ́n kàn ṣe tì mọ́lẹ̀ tán dé mọ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n jẹ́ kó lọ kò sí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ ẹ́ tó bá ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tó le jù látijọ́ yìí wọ́n á ti gbé lọ sílé ẹjọ́ wọ́n á dẹ̀ ti sọ di ẹlẹ́wọ̀n èmi rò pé léni ẹ jẹ́ kí a kọ́kọ́ gba nǹkan kan wípé ní tèmi ó bẹ́tà kí olóyè Ìgbòho kó wà ní Kútọ́nù ju gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà lọ léni ó bẹ́tà wípé àwọn Kútọ́nù tẹ̀ tí ìgbé sílẹ̀ fún ìkókò Nàìjíríà pàjẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà ẹ jẹ́ kí a kan sára sí olórí orílẹ̀-èdè sọ́rọ̀mìyẹ President Talon of Benin Republic ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n ní yiniyini kẹ́ni lè ṣe míì sí díẹ̀ tó ṣe yẹn a lè ní kò tó ṣùgbọ́n wípé kò tiẹ̀ jù sílẹ̀ fún àwọn ìkókò àwọn kìnìún ọlọ́lá jù Nàìjíríà wọ́n máa ń bú ramúramù ní tí ẹ mọ̀ pé ṣàkárá pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà nǹkan táwọn ọmọ ṣe nìyẹn agbára wọn fi ń lé àwọn Nnamdi Kanu àti olóyè Ìgbòho káàkiri kádágbára yẹn náà fi ń túlù ṣe ní Nàìjíríà ò ní sí níbi tó wà lénìí. àwọn èèyàn tiwa ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fi agbára yẹn náà fi ń rẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ bá àwọn èèyàn wọn náà ní wọn dún tẹ bá rí ìyà táwọn èèyàn ń jẹ akàn sọ tiwa ní nílẹ̀ Haúsá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi lẹ́ni náà lè sùn nílùú wọn ẹni tó wá láti Kano ẹni tó wá láti Kaduna ẹni tó wá láti Borno ẹni tó wá láti Adamawa ẹni tó wá láti Yobe ẹni tó wá wọn ò lè sùn ní Niger State wọn ò lè sùn ní ìlú wọn ojú kan báyìí ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fi ń sùn ní òkè lọ́hùn.
Wow, a lot needs to be pondered concerning what Dele Momodu has said, and invariably what he's just saying is that the Nigerian government is intimidating the Benin Republic government over Sunday Igboho. But the only thing that they've been able to do, of course, you might say they have not done enough, is for them not to have released Sunday Igboho into their hands. Because if really what they did to Nnamdi Kanu, if they have that opportunity to do the same thing with Sunday Igboho, they would have brought him. And they will just keep him there as long as they want. From all indications, from what Dele Momodu has said, Sunday Igboho never committed offense. Just like we have Nnamdi Kanu, we have Shuwore, Dasuki, all of those people, at the end of the day, with all the noise, with all the intimidation, with all the propaganda against them, they cannot even jail them. You see how it's so difficult for them to take to jail Shuwore, for them to jail Nnamdi Kanu, and the rest of them. If really they have evidence, real evidence against them, they would have done the same thing as well. You should be asking yourself, one pertinent question, that why did they go to Nnamdi Kanu's house in 2017 before the man narrowly escaped? Why? A day was fixed for hearing. Before you could say Jack Robinson, they went there. Up to today, they've not been able to tell us who are the people that went there. They are trying to cover it up, but they are. I'm sure they will never. The lawyers will not allow that to happen. So coming back to Sunday Igboho, they are intimidating. According to what this man is telling us, Dele Momodu, they are intimidating the governments of the Benin Republic just because those ones too, they depend in most of their investment, in most of their trading, they depend on Nigeria. So they are intimidating them and using propaganda, and if I may say, they are trying to blackmail them because of course it is all about give and take. Everybody is trying to play the politics, very good policies, whether it is good or to them very very very, because to them is good, to other people is bad. So invariably, what this man is saying is that they are intimidating them, and he believes that Obasanjo had done his best. Obasanjo is no longer in power, because even if he was in power, maybe he would have done worse. Because once they are there with the power, it is like they are demigods. Nobody is above them. That is the way they see it, because the constitution has made it to be so. It has made it to be so. Oh, it's so unfortunate, but one thing I believe is that there is nothing that has a beginning that does not have an end. It will end one day. But I hope and I pray it will end in praise for those who are on the side of truth. If they are lying, if they are those who say that they are working towards Sunday Igboho's release, if they are not doing anything and they say they are doing something, is they should be left with their conscience. They should be left with their conscience. But from all indications, the Nigerian government is threatening them, is threatening the Benin Republic government. That is why they are still keeping him there. Like he said, the man has done nothing. Sunday Igboho has done nothing. If he has done something, why delaying? Why using delay tactics? Because like we were hearing from some quarter that say, oh, he used a wrong passport, he forged this, he forged that, he forged this. No, it's neither here nor there. It is an opportunity for them to throw him into jail. They will have all the evidences of the offense he has committed. Though they are just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. One good thing is that his aides that were arrested by the DSS in Nigeria, they've all been released. So what would they say they have done? They're just trying to cook up all manner of stories just to hang it on them. But it's not going to work. It didn't work. It didn't work. There is nothing that they will do to a logical conclusion. They will just want to tag everybody. You have done this, you have done this, you have done that. That is what they will want to do. But at the end of the day, they cannot do nothing. They will not be able to bring justice, whether against the person or in favor of themselves, but just to tag people. And a lot of people run with that kind of propaganda. That is what APC is good at. That is what they are good at. So guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this.